Hi everyone, we are from Ghotty Empire that sold the most delicious soft bread and affordable price for our customer. We have 5 modern flavor innovation such as pizza samyang. We use samyang sauce original from Korea and put seaweed on top the bread. Next, pizza black pepper. Drizzle with black pepper sauce and sprinkle with oregano. We also use herb from Italy.
The next is pizza garlic. Garlic key taste as the main flavor. We spring with oregano and a hint of mayonnaise. For next, bread is chicken floss. For spicy chicken floss, it flavor with fried chicken pieces and mixed with spicy seasoning. And for our last product is sugar cheese. We bake with cheese and butter. We also spring sugar on the top of the bread. And our company wholesale product are garlic and black pepper.
As for the price, we have 3 price point, which is 2 ringgit, the cheapest one being cheese sugar, and the next one is chicken floss, which will cost 2 ringgit and 50 cent, along with black pepper and garlic. As for the priciest one, we have samyang, which is one of the most delicious and most famous product of our company.
For place, we mainly deliver our product to the dorm of PSMZA student. We are also doing delivery around Dungun, and if you want to order from outside Dungun, you will need to order more than 100 pieces of bread, because we will need to do a special delivery for the order, because we want the customer to taste the freshness of the bread.
For our lovely customer, our company Ghotty Empire provide promotion to strengthen customer relationship. For male customer that pre-order 10 bread will get cute keychain. I promise that you guys will fall in love with this cute keychain. Oh, so cute! For female customer, Ghotty Empire will give you a little homemade scrunchies. Our customer can choose various design of scrunchies. And the best promotion that we provide our customer is buy 5 bread, we get 1/2 price for next bread. So amazing! So don't forget to buy our product. For any question, you guys can find us on our Facebook, Instagram, and contact us on WhatsApp. Don't forget to support us. Bye bye.